everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Sena and I am one of the co-founders of iBridge, and also I'm one of the managers for Math AHL. And today we're going to have a video, like an introductory video for pre-IB students about Math AHL course. So I took Math and Chemistry and Physics as HL and Psychology as SL, and then English and Literature. So the first question is that what is the hardest part and how did you get through it? For me, I think the hardest part about Math AHL was the fact that there were so many different types of questions in the course, and also the curriculum was so busy and we had many different topics and the classes were so fast, so like there were many topics that you need to keep track of. I think for this, doing daily practice questions is like solving daily practice questions would be helpful, because you will have many quizzes and like 4 exams throughout the year. It was 8 quizzes and 4 exams, yes. And I think to be always prepared, you can just solve many practice questions, which is in my program difficult because I had issues with time management due to my all classes being difficult. So for you, as I have mentioned, math is one of the hardest classes, so you should be solving many different practice questions from many different resources such as Revision Village, My Exams, Christos, or you can also use iBridge for topic explanation videos. So yes, this was the hardest thing, and I got through it by solving many different questions from many different resources. And what I like and dislike about this course is that it makes you think out of the box. Like there are many different practice questions, and there are many different types of questions that makes you think during the exam. So you should be open to every way. And also what I dislike is that it's like continuing cumulatively. So what I mean by cumulative is that like the topics, the questions combine different topics, many different topics, so you should know every single of them in order to be able to solve the question of another topic. For example, in logarithms, you should be able to know every single rule related to series and sequences, so that you can solve questions that combine series and logarithm concept. So yeah, this is one thing that I dislike, because like there were times that I forgot how to solve some types of questions, or there were times that I forgot the rules related to different topics. So you should know every single one of them to be able to solve every single question. So the third one is that if I could go back to day one, the thing that I would do differently would be, as I have already mentioned, solving practice questions regularly and using many different sites, because sometimes after some time questions start to repeat themselves, and you're going to be able to solve any type of question, because like yes, there are many different questions, but the number of question types is also limited. So if you like solve many questions, you will be prepared for the exams. And what does a typical week in this class actually look like? So as I have mentioned, it's so busy, the schedule is so tight, because you have like 1 year but many different topics. For instance, in MEB diploma program, the topics that you see in only the first year of IBDP, you will see those topics in 2 years in MEB diploma, so which is, I think, self-explanatory enough. So what do I recommend to someone who is just starting this class? I recommend that you just try to understand the concepts during the class and understand every single question that is solved in the class, and ask every single detail, and then go back home and try to solve some practice questions from Christos website, because it's the first level. The simple practice questions are in Christos website. You can just find them, and it will help you to get fast in the topic, and then you can just continue with My Exams, because it's like medium and hard level in between, and then you can continue with revision village because it combines past IB questions. And lastly, you can just go to IB docs or Merchant Pestle to find any past IB questions and practice with real exam questions in the end. So this is what I would recommend, and I hope you liked the video and follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you.